Super easy. You think it'll be that quick?
No, probably not, because it's going to rain today and every day this week, I think.
Yeah, that's what I figured. I figured for sure they'd spread the rest of the dirt first.
Yeah.
I think in this last rain I saw pictures that showed some low spots.
Yeah. They might wait till it dries out a little bit.
I actually have extra couple of minutes this morning. If I'd known exactly where they wanted the dirt, I could go out there and spread a load or two.
Yeah.
My luck though, they've got it earmarked for a certain area.
Yeah, probably. Looking at the way they mowed this, I don't know. I don't know where most people come in at. I come in through this little notch here by the rocks.
Oh, for landing you mean?
Yeah.
You know that jet I was just flying, that thing, I don't know, I guess it's because we're on a hill, but yeah, I came in from this, from the runway end.
Yeah, you can do that now. There's not enough wind to worry about.
Well, I found that it was flying so fast that I was concerned with it skipping and catching a wing on this rough.
Oh yeah, that's true.
It took me like 4 or 5 approaches to figure out exactly which one I was going to be happy with.
East now. When I first got out here, it was more south. Well, here's somebody. A brave soul. That's where I come through, landing. That big biplane, I'm worried about getting it hung up on the rocks.
Yeah. Well, that was me. I came in right over that grassy knoll.
Yeah.
Turn, baby, turn. And I was afraid I was going to catch it in that tough, taller grass there.
Yeah. Yeah, looks like my little cub. It does real well out here. It's a little nerve-wracking with my big biplane.
Yeah, especially, you know, you get so accustomed to running up and down that runway.
Yeah.
Next thing you know, in a different area, it just feels awkward, you know.
Yeah, the biplane does pretty good. I can land in about 30 feet probably.
That's pretty good.
I just get a little nervous coming over the rocks. I got to come over the rocks at about 3 feet high.
Right.
Yeah.
And you said that plane weighs, what'd you say, about 14, 15?
18 pounds.
18, so yeah.
Yeah,
If you just kill the engine to idle, how does it glide?
it doesn't glide well, but it won't stall at idle.
It don't drop like a brick, or like this one right here is 0. You can see it still comes down pretty quick. Oh, I didn't even see that.
I didn't see that. That's the problem. That's the problem I had.
That was exactly. Here is 0. You can see it still comes down pretty quick. Oh, I didn't even see that.
I didn't see that. That's the problem. That's the problem I had.
That was exactly. Here is 0. You can see it still comes down pretty quick. Oh, I didn't even see that. Play my bane of existence there. Well, hopefully we didn't gouge it too bad. Oh. No, I don't see nothing. Well, hey, Jimmy.
Hey, I never thought you would hit that.
I didn't either. I thought I was well away from it.
I could not believe. I was shocked.
Yeah, I didn't even see a bump on it.
I mean, that was unbelievable. I can't believe I didn't hit that with my black light.
Actually, if I was trying to hit it, I probably couldn't.
I know. Kind of weird.
We were just sitting there talking about how it was awkward.
Good depth perception, but I was worried about the rocks. I thought, well, you're well above the rock. See, I'm coming in pretty low. I'm trying to get this on the box over on it. Yeah, that was bizarre.
Yeah, no, I wasn't trying to fly through it or nothing.
I guess you were over pretty good there too. Yeah, that's something to watch for sure.
You know, on a real rainy day, I have gone up there on the control line
Yeah, me too.
and used it as a runway, and it's actually much better than this helicopter runway.
I was looking at it a while ago, but I could fly my biplane up there with no problem.
Yeah, oh yeah, if you could do it in 30 feet, for sure.
Yeah, I
Because you got a nice approach from this away too, you
I
know.
don't have the rocks. And I don't know about turbulence from the hill, but I don't think it'll bother my plane. Yeah, I was worried about, I got down in that area where the ruts are when I first landed because I was kind of high and fast.
Right.
Airplane loves going downhill. They don't have brakes.
Yeah, I think they all do.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's where I was trying to come in, right there. I could land less than that. I stop about right there.
Where the daisies are?
Huh?
Where the wildflower is there? The
So I can land pretty short. I have to set down just on the other side of this little road here, and then it'll roll about 40 feet.
I think that's how this one was. Like you're saying, it was going downhill, so it just wants to roll a little further.